Kalafalahayatu from the Niue Fekai group. Members are from Sydney and Canberra. The group came about because we wanted to put Niue in the capital city of Australia, which is Canberra. This happened February 2015. Thank you especially to our supporters from the Niue community and the Pacific community in Canberra, the Niue Consulate in Wellington, Honourable Olaf Jacobson, as well as the Niue Tourism in Melbourne who provided the literature. Thank you to all the members who participated, and we had so much fun, more so the younger people, and especially those who have never spoken Niuean in the past, who managed to sing along and also participated. So appreciative of the Wangahau Niue, which is the Niue language. Thank you. Hopefully we will continue this next year and hope to see more Niueans in Canberra for the festival in 2016. So the videos you'll see are the performances of the group in Canberra. Enjoy.
And all the family, friends, cousins, they took the time to do it. And last but not least, a special thanks to my wife who came last year and wanted to put Niue on the map in Canberra. And we said, we'll do it, my darling. And whakalafu lai atu, i puhoi lahi.